Welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and we will now tune at 050 UTC, the 4,000 to 5,000 kilohertz range. Today, March 16th, North America, UTC at 050. It's actually March 17th, 2021. Commenting on the signals heard. So we start now. First signal is this teletype signal. This is heard widely on the East Coast. Has something to do with the U.S. Navy station somewhere along the East Coast. I mean, even midday I hear this thing. So it tells me that it's not that far away, for sure. Let's check out anything else. There's something here, which sounds like some stanag or some form of stanag, which is a digital mode, by the way. Most of it is encrypted, though. Also here, 4203, more stanag. This one is a very strong one. Another one. This is a very popular mode, in the especially for the military. So this is kind of interesting to see all the stanag signals. Once again, more here. Here it seems 4278. This, I believe, is possibly some, there's something else in there for sure. More. This one's a very strong one. Pretty crazy when you look at it. So let's check out continue. Nothing that interesting right now around the band here. Move on. So here we start around 44 or 40-ish. You hear these chirps. If your radio's in AM mode, you'll hear this. If you're wondering what this is what we call CODAR. It's a type of radar that can detect the speed and the direction of ocean waves. And there's tons of these little radars that are actually all across the coast in North America. So this is widely heard in North America and easily heard too. Around 4,500 kilohertz. Way up. Some go up to about 4,600, 4,700 kilohertz. Sometimes it's even interfering with some of the tropical band stations that we hear. So here's another chirp with some signal in here. This is some radio teletype signal right there that we can hear. We don't hear it often, but 4625 is home to the famous UVB 76, or what we often call the Russian buzzer. So 4625 kilohertz is often that place. More stanag as we go up. This is like interference. 4765 with some music right now. This is Radio Progresso. A lot of people, unfortunately, will mistake this for the Radio Tajikistan or Tajik radio. Yes, Tajik radio is on that frequency, but it's broadcasting to Asia. It's rarely heard in North America. Not that it's impossible, but North America, it's really dominated by Radio Progresso 4765 usually. So don't think it's Tajik right away. Very weak signal on 4775. I look at the frequency here, there's the Peru station, Radio Tarma, that could be technically that station. So it's not impossible that I'm hearing a very weak carrier from Radio Tarma here. 4840. WWCR, always a very, very powerful signal up here.
ThePowerOrbs.com is the web address. 828-469-5972, international number. 828-469-5972.
Remember that the 60-meter band is for domestic broadcasts. So any stations here, including WWCR, cannot broadcast on this band for international audience. It's to domestic audience. Now, of course, you know that shortwave is shortwave, so yes, people from outside of North America will probably hear it, but it's not meant to be received outside of North America. .4885, not very strong tonight, sometimes better. Is a station out of Brazil, I believe. Radio Club do Para is usually the station we hear on that frequency from Brazil. 4940, there's something very weak there, but it's possibly that that Colombian station that people have been hearing. It's not been very strong lately. We don't hear a lot. Once again, some more radio teletype style broadcast here. I believe this is also the U.S. Navy coming from somewhere in the East Coast. So we hear that quite often. And if we go to 5,000 to end, of course, WWV time signal, which is starting to come in at this time with time signal broadcast, of course, on 5,000 kilohertz. So hope that you enjoy our scan and our look at the 4,000 to 5,000 kilohertz spectrum of the shortwave bands. And of course, more videos coming up where we'll scan even more of the bands. Hope you enjoy, and hope you enjoy the fact that I comment on the signals, what they could be. So if you hear stuff, you might, recognize them thanks to what I actually am commenting on. So this is really, really cool. It's a lot of fun. I like to use this also as kind of a educational video a little bit. Anybody tuning the bands will have a better idea of what they can hear, depending on the frequency range they're listening to. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.